Friends, this is our new video about the Snapchat app. So let's go to the botting and find out how to play games on the Snapchat. The first step is to open our app and go to the chat section. To find a lot of different Snapchat games, we just need to pick on the search bar here and search for the games after tapping game, the game word here. Search, and later we need to scroll down a little bit our appeared list, tap on the view more on the lenses section to check the list of all of the possible game you can activate. Definitely these games will be activated for the new video, new snap recording. Let's check it. I will tap on the first game I have here. So we just need to tap our bird will jump. Okay, oh no. Amazing. Don't forget that you can definitely record your video using this game here. It's very funny, and I think that definitely you can use this option for the new video and snaps creation. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was really very easy, very interesting and funny. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to check our another videos on the channel to find out, to learn a lot of different secret tricks about the Snapchat and other applications. Goodbye guys, have a nice day, good luck!